Hey guys, what's up? Gus Nolan here from B&Goutdoors. Snowing out, we got a target down there, got my bow, and I'm gonna take a 15-yard shot into the eye, the little eye of a fidget spinner. So let's make that happen. I got you guys on the tripod. I'm gonna set you up right here, and it's gonna film me try to shoot down there. I got a fidget spinner on that piece of wood. So yeah, let's do it to it. There you guys go. And I got 2 arrows, about 15 yards. So let's go. Yeah, here. Got me in the frame. I got it. Oh, look at that. Here. Oh, I think I got it. Oh. Look at there. That right there was the first shot. First shot right there. Second shot right there. Oh, through the eye of it. Gosh darn. There we go. That's one of my best shots. Honestly, it took me like 8 shots to get this. Can't believe it. And yeah, amazing. Oh God, I'm so excited. That was my best shot at 15 yards. Oh God, that was crazy. Here. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is just a short video showing off. I don't know. I'm not very good at archery. I started about 2.5 years ago probably. I can't believe it happened. Snowing out, 32 degrees. Checked it just a minute ago. I can't believe I did that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.